gentlemen, this bout is scheduled for 6 rounds in the bantamweight division. The 3 judges for this contest, Sammy Bernabet Sr., Oliver Garcia, and Eduardo Nobleza. And when the bell rings, your referee in charge of the action, Carlo Baluyo. And now, ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing black with white, and weighing 116.5 pounds, with a professional record of 2 wins, no defeat. From Olivetti Mizuno Boxing Gym of Binyan City, Laguna, ladies and gentlemen, the Golden Boy, Jory Boy Sixta. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, tonight wearing white with red and weighing 117 pounds, with a professional records of 2 wins, 1 win coming by way of knockout, no defeat. From Elorde Fight Team of Gilmore, Quezon City, ladies and gentlemen, Florence Suba.
Our announcer partner, it's a legendary Jaime Villanera, no less than.
Oh, so, we fondly call him Kuya Boy.
Ako Lolo Boy.
Ay, pwede din. Lagot ka sa kanya, mama.
Isa sa pinaka kind-hearted na tao na nakilala ko, Mr. Jaime Villanera.
Ito na, partner. We are down to the special bout of the day.
Yeah.
Florence Sumpay with a record of 2-0 versus Jory Boy Sixta.
Ayun na, partner.
Oo.
Pinasok na agad. I told you, this will be a slap. Oh! Sumpay is down!
I think that is a right hook that landed on Florence Sumpay. Early fireworks, somebody is bound to be down, ano?
I told you, partner, don't sleep on this fight, partner. Magpapasukan tong dalawang fighter na to.
Oh, body shots by Sumpay. Sixta says it's a little too low.
Medyo mababa. Medyo mababa, partner.
Partner, with the commitment that they have with those punches, meron talagang mana-knockdown sa laban na ito eh.
Kasi pareho rin naman silang hindi umiilag, partner. Tinatanggap rin nila. So, isa lang ang mangyayari dito. Possibly isa ang ma-knockdown dito o ma-knockout.
You're right, ano? Body shot by Sixta right there.
Oh! That left did connect for Sixta. A left to the body by Sixta again.
And then Florence Sumpay goes up top. He has that right hook to the head of Sixta.
Sumpay is coming forward. Parang hindi ko kaya sabihin both of the fighter taper off a little bit.
Oh, eh. Baliktad, ano? They started off really, really aggressive.
Wow.
The key here is to, I think, an overhand that slipped a little bit at the back of the head of Sixta. Another hook by Sixta. Sumpay answers with the right. Final 35 seconds of round 1. Sixta with that hook straight. Sumpay answers with jabs, I think, to keep Sixta off din, ano. Kailangan, they need the distance. If they're gonna fight inside the pocket, I mean, somebody's bound to be knocked down or knocked out. So again, we love the passion, we love the aggression, but they have to fight smart also. No, what if this fight goes up to the 6 rounds, no? Kailangan may enough sila na stamina to last the whole 6 rounds. End of the first round. Again, let's watch some of the highlights. Right there is that punch that sent Sumpay down the canvas. It was such a well-timed punch by by Sixta. Ito na yung exchange right there. That was the right hook. Perfect timing by Jory Boy Sixta. Here we go, round 2. Florence Sumpay is wearing the white trunks. Itong si Jory Boy Sixta is wearing black and white trunks. Again, the same tempo as the first round. Palitan agad ng suntok. Exchange of punches in the opening seconds of this round. Both of them talagang hooks and uppercuts ang binibitawan. It's a close range match for these two guys. Medyo nag-taper down yung yung activity dito sa round na to. Oh, kailangan din nilang mag-reset There's too much fire in the first round. Jory Boy Sixta moves forward, but Sumpay answers with the hook.
Partner, ang ganda nung body attack doon ng Sixta, partner, no?
Tama ka dyan, partner, no? He's really trying to chop down the body.
That's the great observation by the Baby Dynamite.
No, I just echoed your observation.
Baby
partner.
Dynamite of Philippine boxing.
Wow.
Diba?
Maraming salamat. There you have it. I think ultimately partner ang magpa-play out dito or ang magiging key. Oh, another left hook. Florence Sumpay is not backing out. Answers with an uppercut.
Both fighters has their moments doon sa instance na yon. Both did connect good blows.
Must be a lot of pressure for both these guys, partner. Kasi there's so much expectation from both of them dito sa laban na to. Kaya nga naging special bout siya, di ba? So, I think pressure plays a part din dito
And in walks of life, lahat talaga may pressure. Yung adversity natin, how to handle it, doon na lang magkakatalo lahat.
Definitely. Eto na nga, they are again at the center of the ring, exchanging punches.
That overhanded connect by Florence Sumpay. Sixta is spin in the corner.
Sumpay is trying to immobilize Sixta, but Sixta gets out.
Stamina will be a factor on this fight. Kung paano sila bumato ng gaano karaming suntok, ang stamina nila will be heavily tested on this 6 rounds affair.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And of course, timing, no? Kasi both of them have that knockout power. It's how you time your punch. In between those barrage of punches, there has to be order in the mayhem. So, tignan natin, partner. Ikaw ba? Did this live up to your expectation of this fight?
Yes, of course. With it, nung sabi ko nga, nung malaman ko maglalaban tong dalawang fighter na to, both of them, tingin ko hindi matatapos yung fight baka may ma-knockdown. Subsequently, na-knockdown nga si Sumpay nung first round. And it's a 10-8 round. He must do a little bit more for him to narrow the gap between him and Jory Boy Sixta.
Tama ka dyan, partner. We're halfway through. He still has time to... And I think he's been very, very active naman. He's really... he is not backing down.
Papasalamat tayo, partner, ha? sa maraming viewers na nanonood sa atin. It's been a while of this partnership. Alam mo, matagal-tagal na kaming nagko-commentate and nagpapasalamat kami at kami minsan ay naaalala nyo pa din.
Yes, maraming salamat.
Giving voice to Philippine boxing.
Yes, partner. Maraming salamat din sa iyo, partner. Oh, there you have it. Another exchange. Ayan, when they're standing in front of each other, partner.
Wow!
Talagang battle of attrition na lang talaga to. Matirang matibay na lang talaga.
Right. Matitibay. Kung sino matibay, mananalo. Oh. I lost for words, partner.
Tama. If you fight fire with fire, I mean, someone's bound to get burned.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? If you're playing each other's game, yun na nga, the inside game is very dangerous kasi someone's bound to get knocked down. At this point, of course, it's still anyone's game, partner.
Kasi nowadays, sa boxing, it's more scientific. Siyempre gusto nila hindi ka tamaan, hindi ka matamaan sa loob ng lona at yung ganyang style is very very edgy kung tawagin.
Tama. Pero ang audience natin syempre gusto.
Yan.
Tanggapan at batuhan, Ayan na naman, there you have it. Exchanging punches in the middle of the ring. Jory Boy 60.
Wow!
Oh!
Wow! What a boxing! This is UKC boxing.
It's living up to everyone's expectation, partner. Sixta really shines with that hook straight. Ito namang si Sumpay with that check hook. Both of them are really, kumbaga binubunot nila lahat ng alas nila dito sa laban na to, partner.
Grabe yung bunot mo ng salitang yung binubunot.
Oh, yun na lang ang nabunot kong salita eh. Kasi
Lost
very...
for words, partner.
Yeah,
alam mo, napakasaya sa atin ito, no? Yung being a commentator, pero yung how lively yung fans and how they appreciate the fight.
Oo, tama ka dyan. It's the energy of everyone around us. Maraming salamat. Even our viewers online.
Maraming
Mabuhay
salamat.
kayo. Oo.
Maraming salamat. At minsan nakaka-overwhelm, partner, sa dami ng nanood sa atin.
Tama. Anong timbang ito? This is in the bantamweight division.
Last 10 seconds of this round. Sumpay connected with the right hook to end round number 3, partner, no?
May dalawang rounds pa, partner. Very crucial rounds. Here, let's see some of the highlights of the previous round. Hook straight, yun. It's the signature of Jory Boy Sixta, a hook straight. Ito naman si Sumpay, always with that check right hook. Oh, good body shot by Sumpay. Sixta, yan na naman, hook straight. And I think pareho sila, no, ang tibay partner. Sinasalo yung suntok talaga.
Pero later on in